tutorial will explain how to use the Future Classes tool within the What If tool in DegreeWorks. The tool allows you to plan courses on your DegreeWorks audit. This can be helpful for course registration, academic planning, and during advising meetings. Start by opening DegreeWorks. Select What If under the Student Information block. Select the box next to Use Current Curriculum. Selecting this box will use your current catalog year, major, and degree type. A future class is a class you are planning to take in a future semester. By adding classes you plan to take to your degree audit, you can see how they will fulfill degree requirements to move you closer towards completing your degree. Add future classes to your degree audit by inputting the subject code and course number. Select Add. Input as many future classes as you would like. Once you are finished adding classes, select Process. This will run a degree audit. It will be as if you have taken those planned classes. If the classes you added as a planned class satisfy a requirement for your degree, it will mark the requirement as in progress. This is indicated by a half-filled blue circle, as well as plan in the grade spot and the credits in parentheses. If you have trouble finding the planned classes, press Ctrl or Command and F. Type in Plan. This should locate all of the planned classes you input. This can be used to check how planned courses are counting in multiple sections of your degree audit. Check to see if planned courses do not apply to your degree by viewing the courses not applicable to this degree block. The In Progress and Midterm Grades block allows you to check if the courses were properly added as a planned course in the degree audit. By adding classes you plan to take to your degree, you can check to make sure you are on track to complete your degree. If you added a course to your degree audit and it does not fulfill the correct requirement, you now know this is something you should talk to your advisor about. It is important to note that classes applied to themes and perspectives cannot also be applied to your major requirements. If you have any questions about adding future classes or the What If analysis tool, please contact the Office of the Registrar at 607-274-3127 or by email at registrar@ithaca.edu. Thanks.